going over gold futures. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in NUGT, but we're seeing signs of a converge. We're off of oversold levels with the RSI. With the 4 hour chart, we are in NUGT and approaching to oversold condition with the RSI. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, but we did see it diverge. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $173.48, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $188.60. My stop loss is at $167.48. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $191.12, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $179.78, and my stop loss is at $197.73. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or wicked trading, gold futures has a 71% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, and a 29% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.